Robotics is everywhere. The humanoid environment savior is solving the hardest problem of waste in our cities. The vending machine, fulfilling all your cravings in a cafeteria. The smart pedestal fan, helping you control your house at the flick of a finger. The color sorter, solving the hardest automation problems in manufacturing industries. The all-terrain vehicle, navigating hard obstacles and enabling rescue operations in the forests. With Avishkaar Robotics Kit, the possibilities are infinite, maybe even more.